friends, I have a ton of book pages that I've been wanting to, try to use up in various ways. And one of the ways that I realized I could use them was by making belly bands. And so that's what I'm showing you here. And also, as you know, I recently got a flower punch. And I punched out a ton of flowers, but then I thought, wow, what am I going to do with all of them? There's just a ton of them. So I've been putting them in my books, but also I thought, aha, I will put them on these belly bands. And as you can see, there's a strip going down the center, and I have sewn them together. So I'm going to show you how I did that. The first thing I did was take some of my book pages and fold them into thirds so that they would be long and thin, sort of like a bookmark. On day one, I only used the flower punches, but on day two, I used flower punches, some washi tape, and also some ribbon. So that's what you'll see me sew in this part of the video. And at the end, I'll show you the results. Here are the belly bands from day one. And here are the belly bands from day two. I still have some embellishing to do, adding little things to the centers of the flowers and all of that, but this is a good start. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these belly bands. If you did, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram.